I look like a haggard mess, I realize. But there's been no beauty in all of the things that we've been doing. I have 30 more boxes, little boxes, like 24 inches deep, maybe, that I can put in the moving crate. And and you can see from the boxes that I have left to go through in here. And I have probably more than 30 boxes. So I'm trying to tone down and see what we can do. So this is where we're still at. Except now there's no bed down here. I may not go to sleep tonight. Just kidding. I will sleep tonight. Somehow. I'm going through some knick-knack stuff that I've kept over the years. This is definitely the hardest part. Because you know every year you do it, you put away more and more stuff to get rid of. And then you're like, what am I doing? I'll have nothing left. It's getting a little overwhelming, to be honest. I'm just trying to keep y'all in the loop of what I'm doing and where I'm at and how much it takes to split up our life. We had finally intermixed everything together. I guess I was stupid. Jeremy didn't want to at first, and I think he did it for me. And now I'm wishing like I just kept everything packed. It would have been so much easier. But anyway, I gotta keep moving or I'm gonna get chilled and then I won't want to do anything. Pray for me. So the U-Haul box is packed full, and I have that, a little suitcase, and a big suitcase that we're going to need to fit into the van or the SUV, whichever one we get. I am selling things, so all this stuff has been bought today or last night. I still have 3 huge bins. So if you're watching this and you need plus size clothing and you're around my size or a little bit smaller, go get you some clothes because I need you to buy them so I don't have to transport them. And plus I need the money really, really badly. I'm so stressed out. Oh my God. That's the worst part. Like, I know God's going to take care of me, but it's like we are just having to take care of one thing at a time because the money just isn't there. It was, but then it wasn't. If you follow me, you've probably heard this. I pulled my chest muscle. So how do I know it's my chest muscle? A long time ago, when I had my puppy, Sabrina, and I lived in Louisiana, I thought I was having a heart attack. So they took me to the doctor, and it was just a pulled chest muscle. I was not, in fact, having a heart problem. I picked up Sabrina, and I pulled the muscle. Cocker Spaniels are apparently not supposed to be 35 pounds, and it was way over my pickup rate, you know? So anyway, I did that. I'm in so much pain. I'm having to rub creams all over me trying to get through it. But you know, we're gonna power through. Power to the people. We're waiting for the U-Haul people to pick up the U-Haul box. And then me and Jeremy are probably going to take a nap at some point because I am exhausted from yesterday. And he's exhausted every day, so. Anyway, I thought I would just put a little burp in here of where I'm at on the moving process.